A tenant who hasn't paid rent in New York City can only be removed through housing court. And a non-payment proceeding starts with a petition that has to be technically perfect. NYC Housing Court handles over 200,000 non-payment cases in a typical year, and the judges who preside over those cases have zero patience for procedurally defective petitions. The wrong rent amount, missing the demand for rent period, improperly described premises, or defective service renders your entire filing dismissible. Often right at the first appearance, before you've said a word. Our free NYC Nonpayment Petition covers the required elements under New York RPAPL Article 7. The petitioner's identity and standing, the premises description, the relationship of the parties, the specific months and amounts of rent owed, a statement that a written rent demand was properly served, and the relief requested. It's structured around the actual forms accepted by the New York City Civil Court, housing part. New York's non-payment process, while tenant protective by design, does move relatively quickly when the papers are correct. A clean non-payment petition with proper service documentation and a clear rent ledger can get you to a judgment in as little as a few weeks in some boroughs. The cases that drag on for months are almost always the ones where the initial filing had problems that required adjournments to fix. Fill it out completely and accurately. Attach your rent demand proof and ledger and file with the housing court clerk in your borough. To reduce non-payment risk before it starts, screen your next tenant at tenantscreeningbackgroundcheck.com. Credit reports that show exactly how applicants handle debt obligations, delivered same day.